Introducing the all-new 2024 Leo Agriculture 20 Series spreader. We've taken the best-selling spreader and upgraded it from top to bottom, delivering unmatched performance and durability. We know you loved the Leo 20 Series machine before, but we never stop innovating. That's why the Leo 20 Series is packed with improvements designed to make your life easier, more efficient, and downright save you money by lasting longer.
The machine now includes a stainless steel hopper standard. This comprises of the front panel, sidewalls and rear panel, along with the expeller shroud. These components are not only stainless steel, but made from thicker material than standard sling spreaders.
The Leo 20 Series manure spreader isn't just an upgrade.
It's a revolution in manure management. With its improved performance, durability, efficiency, operation, and maintenance, you'll be working smarter, not harder.
Be sure to visit your local dealer today for a competitive quote on this remarkable machine.